good? Alright everybody, we're gonna just annihilate this shit. Me and the Marine here. Alright, let's do this.
That sucks.
I don't know, I'll get it out.
Still videotaping, Russell?
Yeah, this feels like some Final Destination shit, man.
Alright, let me just finish this. Alright, that should have been cooler. We'll wait a second, see if Nick can fix this real quick. Go ahead and look at him while he struggles. And this shit happens, folks. It's an old ass shotgun. He's not familiar with it, and that should be a lesson that even trained Marines, if you don't know exactly how to use a particular weapon, it can lead to problems. So be careful. I'm gonna go over here and see if I can help him a little bit. Try and get it to go to, like, into the tube. Because that's what the extractor thing will come out.
I just had that thing, dude. Fuck. Hold on. That sucked.
This is turning into a long video, Nick.
Still rolling?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Hey. How you doing?
Check a look at the damage here while we're waiting for him. It's all lumped up. That side's just demolished. I don't know if you can see it. Like rolled over when we were shooting it. I guess that's the end of that video, folks.